Distressing wood means aging wood by hand, using tools or chemicals to create a more worn and rustic appearance. Here's a list of supplies you'll need to distress wood. First, start by selecting your wood. For a project that calls for new wood that you'd like to distress, consider such softwoods as pine, cedar, or fir. Once you've made your choice, then it's time to mechanically age the wood. Start with blunt tools to give the surface more wear and tear. Consider lightly tapping the wood with the side of a hammer, or hit and drag a metal chain across the surface, making small holes by stabbing the wood with an awl. Next, scrub the wood with a wire brush to create a more irregular surface and make the deeper grain more prominent. Use fine-grained sandpaper on the edges and corners to create a more worn, uneven appearance. Chemical stains give new wood an older color and patina. This vinegar stain is easy to make with items from around the house. Begin by placing steel wool in a jar or sealable container with enough vinegar to cover it. Let it sit for about 10 hours. The longer it sits, the darker the stain will be. Using a paintbrush, apply a heavy coat to the surface and let it sit. It should darken the wood in about 10 minutes. Finally, if you want the wood to have a smooth, shiny appearance, add a layer of polyurethane varnish. To evoke a rustic farm look, layers of different paint colors can be applied and then sanded to allow base coat to appear. Using these techniques can effectively make new wood look as aged and weathered as an antique. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.